Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to disable double tapping power button to open our camera. Right now, if we double tap it, we can turn on our camera. But it's a default option. If we want to turn it off, we have to go to Settings, then in Advanced Features, we have side button here, and as you can see, double pressing it will launch camera. So to turn it off, we simply uncheck this box, and now it should be changed. Let's see. Double tap again. Nothing happened. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.